Hello traders. For today's video, I'm going to share with you an insane scalping trading strategy that will blow your mind. This strategy is composed of 3 free indicators and is available at TradingView. I am going to test this strategy on 100 trading opportunities and show you how it performs. So make sure you stay until the end of this video to know more. Now, if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to keep you updated. With that being said, let's get started. This strategy best works on all short time frames, but in order to get amazing results, I recommend using it in a 5-minute chart. Now let's apply the indicators. Click the Indicator Search tab and type QQE mode. Click this one created by Michael00. The next indicator is the whole suite. Click this one created by Insilico. And lastly, let's add a volume oscillator in our chart. Okay. For this system to be ready, we need to adjust these indicators. First, go to the settings of the whole suite indicator. Go over the input section. Change the length from 55 to 60 and the length multiplier from 1 to 3. Now for the QQE mode indicator, we will use just the default settings. And finally, let's make this volume oscillator a bit more visible. From the Style section, click this one and change its thickness. Then click the 0 line and change it to a regular line. By the way, if you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit Bybit through the link below this video. Through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $4,153. All right, let me continue. Entry condition. In this strategy, we're going to be using this QQE mode as our first confirmation indicator. For our second confirmation indicator, we're going to be using this whole suite line. And for our volume indicator, we're going to be using this volume oscillator. We need to satisfy these 3 important conditions before we place our position. First, a new blue histogram appears on the QQE mode indicator. Second is the whole suite line must be green, and the price must close above it. And lastly, we need a volume to confirm the upward movement. So this volume oscillator must be above the 0 line. Entry and exit signal. Now that the conditions are all met, we are now ready to place our position. Our entry should be placed on candle close. We will then place our stop loss on the previous swing low and assign our target 1.5 times the risk. Now, for taking the short position, you just need to do it oppositely. First, a new red histogram appears on the QQE mode indicator. Second is the whole suite line must be red, and the price must close below it. And lastly, we need a volume to confirm the downward movement. So this volume oscillator must be above the 0 line. Now that the conditions are all met, we are now ready to place our position. Our entry should be placed on candle close. We will then place our stop loss on the previous swing high and assign our target 1.5 times the risk. Backtesting. I backtested this strategy 100 times. Now here are the results. Look at this chart. I've tried the strategy on Bitcoin using a 5-minute time frame. The total trade range reached 27 days with 71% win rate. If you have $1,000 as capital in your portfolio and use $50 per trade with 20 times leverage, you will end up having a 46.40% increase on your portfolio size, which will total to $1,464 in final account size. Now that's the end of the strategy. I hope you learned something new in this video. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more videos like this. As always, thank you for your time and see you on my next video. Goodbye.